5 things empaths could do to take over planet Earth. Hi guys, my name's Artur. This is Empathic Success channel. On this channel, we focus on empowering ourselves, empowering empaths, lightworkers, starseeds, and Group 7. This channel is for empathic people who want to achieve success. So, 5 things empathic people can do to take over planet Earth, achieve personal and collective success. Let's talk about it. So, as you already know, not just from spiritual talks on social media, we live in transformational times. The war in Ukraine, the MAGA movement, the shifts in power, all the political tension, all the war tension all over the world. We live in transformational times, and that's not just spiritual talk, because people from spirituality always talk about huge transformation taking place, but now it is very real, very real. Even Ray Dalio, I recommend his books. He wrote books about changing world order. One of his great books recently published. Even Ray Dalio says that we live in transformational times. There will be shifts in power, shifts in money, so shifts in abundance. Different groups of people will take hold over power, over finances, over politics. These are truly transformational times. What can we do as empaths, as lightworkers, as starseeds and Group 7 to get in shape, get in power? And those 5 things, let's list them. First, we should, empaths, learn politics, learn history, learn the language of common people, learn this planet. I remember this scene from a movie Fifth Element, when the Lilu, the character from, I don't know, from other dimension maybe, the Lilu woke up on planet Earth, and what did she do? She started learning what has happened here. She started watching TV, watching lots of shows, eating a lot and watching and learning. What is this planet about? So we should learn history. We should learn politics, the language of common people. History, there are stories. Thanks to history, you can understand the language of elites, the language of people with high financial brackets. So history is, common language with high IQ people. And actually, these days you can learn history easily, and it is wonderful experience, because universities like Harvard, like Yale, they publish the lectures about history on YouTube. So last years I was watching those lectures from Yale about history, from Ian Shapiro, from Timothy Snyder. So people from spirituality always watch about those magic stones, about 11:11 hour, about energies, about zodiac signs. This it's okay, it's nice knowledge, but let's say it's not practical knowledge. Okay, we live in planet Earth, the very material planet. So the time to shift your focus from magic stones, from zodiac signs, to actually learning the language of this planet, politics, the history of this planet. Is a beautiful, wonderful experience to learn history, to become a passionate history lover. I became a passionate history lover last year. So learn history, learn politics, watch Yale University lectures from Ian Shapiro, from Timothy Snyder, from Philip Zelikov, etc. You can even get degrees from these universities, from some of them for free, from some of them for $50. You can get like certificate from Yale that you went through history course from Ian Shapiro, who's like goat of history. And okay, learn history, learn politics. Thing number 2 for empaths to do to take over planet Earth: reclaim abundance. It's like, common knowledge that spirituals have problems with money all the time. Spirituals have problems with money. It's like common knowledge about, this group. Oh yeah, you're spiritual, okay. Okay, so Reclaim abundance. Focus on money. Get excited about money. Get enthusiastic about money. Learn the history of money. It's a beautiful story, and most people I know who are, like abundant in money, they know facts about, that there were coins, there were shells, there were, how banking system was created, etc. So get excited about money. Lots of spiritual people oppose money. Lots of spiritual people have, negative beliefs about money. But while you learn history of money, you start getting enthusiastic about it. Enthusiastic, on a like knowledge level and on your personal life level. Imagine yourself. What would you do if you had money? What would you do? Would you travel more? Would you get, along with some smart people, try to create some businesses, try to create some endeavors, build house, wrote a book, etc., become a leader of some kind, etc. So get excited about money. Start to learn about money. You can learn about stock markets, history of the stock markets. I will put some movies up here about the history of stock market. There are books on this topic about history of money, etc. Okay. Thing number 3. Create vision, create dream board, write some goals. Get excited about your personal life, no matter what age you are. Colonel Sanders started KFC at the age of 65, so people are realizing, creating their dreams no matter their age. So create a vision board, create a dream board, make some goals, discover your mission. Start writing about this topic. Start writing about what would be my mission could be. Why am I here? What happened in my life? What is my mission? Do I know my mission up here? Because mission brings lots of energy. Okay. Thing number 4. The work on your physics. Do walks, go to sauna, move your body to get some energy. I know it's tough, this planet is dense, etc. But by moving your body, by going for walks, it doesn't have to be tough, weight working on gym. Just 20-minute walk every day. After 2 weeks, you will be amazed how your life is changing just by doing regular 20-30-minute walks every day. So work on your physical work on your body, get into shape. And theme number 5, what empaths should do to take over planet Earth. Empaths should organize. Empaths should get into groups. As you know, narcissists naturally they are finding resources in people. This is what our enemy does. They are naturally looking for help in other people. Empaths, on the other hand, mostly are loners. Empaths, are you can say pretty much most of empathic people are loners. So they are very sensitive, trust issues, etc. So seek your tribe or build your tribe. This channel is to build a tribe. Find people who have similar values like you. Find people with similar mindset. People who understand you, people who can support you, people who are ethical, people who have high morals, people who also want to empower themselves, people who are focused on success. Because as we can tell, till now, spiritual people were focused on working on traumas, working on energy, working on chakras, resolving family issues, etc. Don't you think it's time to shift focus for empathic spirituals to achieve success on this planet? To get into, high political roles, to get into high business roles, to earn money, to get into Forbes billionaires lists, to talk about empathy, about spirituality, energy, about ethics, in the mainstream. Okay, these were 5 things for empathic people to take over planet Earth. See you on the channel. Your feedback is highly appreciated. Hey.